into the updating for April. So as you can see, we were down to 56%. So we went down from the last month, 27, so around 70, and now we're down to 48.04. You might be wondering what happened. Well, I think it's mostly I repeat the same mistake over and over again. Have a look at the counters. Here we are. As you can see, we start off pretty strong. As the weeks went by, we lost right around here. It's pretty big. This part here, and then boom, go down. So in the future, I plan on perhaps trying more of a day trading strategy. And the morning, we just when the market's open, most of what I do right now is that I don't actually check too much. That could be another reason. Those we get potato. We're gonna try again for next month in May. I'm gonna see how we do this. Thanks for watching.